Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about penguins. I used to think penguins were just cute animals that lived in Antarctica, sliding on ice and swimming all day. But it turns out they are much more fascinating than that.
That's absolutely true. Penguins are birds, but unlike most birds, they cannot fly. Instead, their wings have evolved into flippers, which make them powerful and fast swimmers.
That's really interesting. So instead of flying in the sky, they basically fly underwater?
Exactly. Penguins spend most of their lives in the ocean. They come to land mainly for breeding, resting, and molting, which is when they replace their feathers.
I always thought that penguins lived in a freezing place like Antarctica. That's actually true?
Not completely. While many penguins live in cold regions, some species live in much warmer places like South Africa, South America, and even near the equator.
Wow, that's surprising. I never imagined that penguins lived in warm climates.
They can survive in different environments because of their amazing adaptations. They have dense, waterproof feathers and a thick layer of fat that helps them stay warm in cold water.
That it's like they have a natural jacket. That's pretty cool. Are penguins social animals?
Yes, very social. They live in large groups, called colonies. Some colonies can include thousands or even hundreds of thousands of penguins.
That they must be very loud and crowded.
It is, but it helps them survive living in groups, protects them from predators, and helps them find partners more easily.
But how do they find their family in such a huge groups?
Penguins recognize each other by their unique calls. Each penguin has its own voice, and parents can find their chicks even in very large colonies.
That's actually amazing. It's like they have a own communication system.
Many penguin species are also very loyal. Some pairs stay together for many breeding seasons and raise chicks year after year.
That's really impressive. I didn't expect such strong family bonds in animals. So, how do they take care of their babies?
Both parents share responsibilities. One stays to protect the chick, while the other goes into the ocean to hunt for food. Then they switch roles.
That's true teamwork. Survival really depends on cooperation. What do penguins eat?
They mainly eat fish, squid, and krill. They are excellent hunters and can dive very deep to catch their food. For example, emperor penguin can dive deeper than 500 meters and stay underwater for over 20 minutes.
Wow, that's incredible. That's deeper than most humans could ever go. But I've heard that penguins are facing environmental problems. Is that true?
Yes, climate change is one of the biggest threats to penguins. It affects ocean temperature and reduces the amount of food they can find.
So, it's not just melting ice, but also problems the food chain.
Exactly. pollution, overfishing, and warming oceans all have a negative impact on penguins.
That makes me think that humans are affecting than we realize.
Yes, even small environmental changes can have serious consequences for penguins.
So, what can we have to help?
We can reduce pollution, protect oceans, and use natural resources responsibly. Even small action can make a difference.
That's good to know. It means we can actually help them. After learning all this, I see penguins in completely different way. They are not just cute, they are social, smart, and highly adapted animals.
Exactly. Penguins also help scientists understand the health of oceans and the impact of climate change.
That was really interesting. I definitely learning something new today.
Me too. Penguins are truly fascinating creatures.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.